I once believed in things. Things that were special to me.
Grandpa, tell me about growing up on the beach.
It was called 90 Mile Beach. I was cut off from the world. Then one day the world came to me.
Look!
They're too young. There's nothing we can do.
They won't die.
Can't eat proper fish? They're too small.
I've got an idea.
I don't think this is a good idea!
It worked.
You keep feeding them, I'll grow up to be big and strong.
It's amazing.
He's a good boy. You're a lucky man.
Good job, Mr. Crab.
All right, Mr. Person, we'll go find him.
I miss them. I know he misses them too.
Sometimes you got to do what you know is right, even if they're going to hate you for it. They're going to have to go back soon. Wild things need to be free.
There'll be a storm soon.
A bird like him was a miracle.